Okay, so I'll show you how I did the shirt pull trick. So I started with a video of me just talking to the camera and then pretending to pull my shirt, not really actually pulling it. And I'll drag that down into the box, and then I'll click and drag the end of the clip until I find the first really blurry front frame, right? Maybe about there. That way it just catches the blur of the hand. And then in the next video, I took off this blue button up, put on the next shirt, and just draped the blue button up over my chest. Click and drag that down, and then I'll need to move the beginning of this new clip to where I have that same hand blur. So there's me fiddling with myself. And then right about there, that same kind of hand position blur. And then if you've done it correctly, the two should kind of blend in together. Not bad. And then just repeat, right? At the end of this clip, I pulled off the blue shirt, revealing the UNCG shirt. And at the end, I pretend to pluck this one off as well, trying to get kind of a real consistent spot on my chest that I'm pulling from and all that. So again, I'll just drag the end of this box over until I find back and forth until I find that kind of hand blur motion right about there. And then, rinse and repeat. I changed into my next shirt and draped the UNCG shirt just over my chest, and then pulled that off. Click and drag. Adjust the beginning of this clip until I see that hand blur. And right about there. And I'll go back and check. So far, until finally I became a swan line. Not bad. All right, and that's how I got them. I just strung them together, each one in the right order, and I just filmed in the order that I wanted. And the way I pulled that stuff into this area is to click the down arrow, import media. It'll come up. Oh, Lord, what do I look like? There we go. It'll pull up this, and then I'll record and then talk and then do the thing. And then once you have that, you'd switch shirts, put on your shirt, and do the exact same thing. And then that should be imported right here. And that's what I just did. So that's how I get everything where I need it. Hopefully this answers your questions and kind of explains how to make this. If you have anything else you need, let me know.